I finally found the time to make my mood board for 2026. There is some fashion, some baking inspiration, interior design inspiration, and so much more in here. Basically, I just pinned everything that made me feel good. I feel peaceful when I look at these pins, and that's exactly how I want to feel this year. Hi guys, these are the two books that I borrowed from the library today. I have Pachinko by Jin Lee, Mama Papa Barn, which is the Swedish translation to A Family Matter by Lynch. I picked this one up randomly because I thought the cover looked interesting. I don't know anything about this book, but roughly translating from the back here, it says that this is a heartbreaking and hopeful story about love and loss. I don't know why, but I feel like winter is meant for reading sad books. So I have another sad book here that I'm really excited to read. The story is set in the early 1900s. This is about a woman who is the daughter of a fisherman. She falls in love with a wealthy man who she finds out is actually married, and she also falls pregnant. Later she moves to Japan and she has to abandon her home and her family. This is supposed to be a really heartfelt story. I've been meaning to explore more authors and people of color, and especially women, so I thought this would be a good start. I also am reading Toni Morrison's The Bluest Eye right now on my Kobo, but I'm only 100 pages in, so I can't really give a review yet. I'll tell you how I like it after I finish the book. I think my February TBR is slightly emotionally heavy, but it's cold, it's dark, it's winter, I might as well. I'm reading Pachinko right now and I'm on page 40, and I really do not like Hansu. There are so many red flags and I really hope Sunja doesn't fall for him at all. First of all, the age gap. I understand that it was a different time back then, but it still rubs me the wrong way. During their first real conversation, Hansu tells Sunja, "You don't have a brother, I don't have a sister, you can be mine." And I know he wants more because here it says, "I have wanted to be with you for a long time." What does that mean? I do not like the sound of that. That's a threat. One of my New Year's resolutions this year is to bake more and just practice more to become better at baking. And so I bought this small tin yesterday from the store. I forgot the diameter of it, but maybe 4 or 6 inches. I don't know. I want to attempt a classic strawberry cream cake. So with lots of whipped cream on top and strawberries. I've always loved baking. There's something very therapeutic about baking, but I don't know, I've not baked many cakes in the past, and the goal is to bake my own birthday cake this year. So I just need to start practicing. I found a recipe for a classic strawberry cake. I'm going to have this recipe and hopefully it'll be okay. Strawberries are obviously not in season right now, so I really have no idea if these are sweet or not. I hope they are. I picked out similar sized strawberries. I think I'll just slice them in half. Do I keep the stem or not? Ta-da! My strawberry whipped cream cake is finally done. Powdered sugar is melted, but that's okay. I love whipped cream, so I decided to do a thick layer of whipped cream on top. And I like how it just looks so simple. It's really good. Hi guys, I have a mini clothing haul and I'm really excited about these pieces. Starting off with new pajamas. These are made out of cotton and they're so soft. I'm loving the blue colors right now, especially for spring. I mean, it's still winter, but I'm trying to add more colors into my wardrobe. This is the top. It has adjustable straps. It's just a really cute, dainty design. I love the scalloped edge as well. And these are the bottoms. The bow here is so cute. The bottoms also have the scalloped lace detailing. I ordered everything from Zalando. The brand is Vivant's Dreams, VD. I'm just a sucker for cute pajama sets. And then I also bought this summer dress and it is so pretty. This one is from Bershka. I got it on sale and it has this beautiful flower print all over. And the back looks like this. It's got an open back design. And here are the straps. I tried it on last night and it fit like a glove. It's not see-through. It's just so pretty and flowy. This is a maxi dress, but it's not too long on me, which I'm so happy about because I'm quite short. I think this one ends right above my ankles, which is perfect. I'm so excited for spring and summer. I've noticed a trend on social media lately about going more analog, exploring more hobbies, and I think that's so great. You guys know how much I love my hobbies, and I feel like there's not enough time for all of them, but I think it's so important to find something and do something that you really enjoy, something that you can pour your heart into and actually have passion for. Some of you guys have left comments telling me that you just started picking up knitting. I feel like whenever I start knitting, my mind just clears and all the problems I have just disappear for a little while. Someone even requested a knitting tutorial. I don't think I'm an expert at knitting and I don't feel comfortable making a tutorial, but of course I will do anything to encourage you guys to start knitting or start any hobbies really. So maybe I will do a more in-depth video someday about how I started knitting and recommended yarns, needles, etc. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. The seed is so small. Let's try it.